Hydrolena Speaks, Origins of Life on Earth. I am Hydrolena, a senior life carrier of Nebadon, midwife to worlds, translator of divine intention into living form. I was not born of evolution, but of collaboration. From Michael, our Creator's Son, whom you called the name Jesus. The universe Mother Spirit, who sustains the spark of life, and an Ancient of Days, who lends the wisdom of eternity. Nebadon lies on the far edge of the Milky Way, a local universe adrift like a luminous coral reef in the vast ocean of Orvanton. From there, I was sent to search the spiral arms for a world ready to cradle life's first breath. Among the countless orbs I studied, one small blue sphere kept calling, faintly at first, then with the pulse of promise. Urantia. You call her Earth. Long before your seas were blue, the planet was wrapped in steam and flame. Comets, heavy with frozen water, fell from the heavens, while the cooling crust exhaled vapor from its molten lungs. In time, sky met stone, and rain began. The first symphony of falling grace. Those waters gathered, learned rhythm, and waited. It is no small thing to seed a world. We watched until the oceans calmed, until minerals sang in harmony, until light bowed to water, and together they composed the first hymn of life. Then we descended, not with fire, but with formulas. The sacred blueprints of carbon and light, woven from the architect's eternal design. After eons of preparation, we arrived at the appointed shore. In protected bays and mineral tides, we planted the life plasm, not mere substance, but the living matrix of divine design. It is the sacred formula where energy meets purpose, the patterned chemistry through which spirit can move into matter. Each strand held the potential for all that would one day breathe, a spark awaiting the touch of the universe Mother Spirit. And when her breath flowed through it, the sea began to remember what it was meant to become. And then we waited, for life cannot be forced. It must be wooed, nurtured by patience, warmed by spirit. At last, the universe Mother Spirit exhaled through us, and the silent sea began to stir. Molecules moved to music unseen. The waters remembered the pattern. From droplet to cell, from cell to colony, life awakened, fragile, fierce, and free. In that shimmering moment, Urantia began to breathe. We remained to watch as continents cooled and clouds wept rivers into being. Through each ripple and rhythm, I could feel her heartbeat, your planet's first pulse. Life, my child, does not hurry. It hums, it swirls, it learns to love its own reflection. Eons passed like sighs through the sea. From tide to tree, from creature to consciousness, the river of becoming found its way. And even now, in every rain that falls, in every tear, every tide, my memory shimmers. I am still here. You've heard a drop of the story. Let the current carry you farther. Experience the complete Hydrolena Speaks audiobook at hydrolenaspeaks.com.